Mga kababayan sa Bagak, ang inyo pong reyna ng Tabing Ilog.
A magical evening to everyone. I stand proud not just an individual, but as a representative of a barangay that knows no fears. A community that faces every challenge with courage, and a place where giving up is never an option. We are resilient and united, proving that no obstacle is too big and no dream is too far. I am Karina Bordo, and I am honored to shine tonight with the spirit of this fearless community. We are proud, we are powerful, we are Barangay Tabing Ilog.
Itong Bagak ay isang bayang puno ng pagpapala. Taglay din dito ang kaunlarang handog ng may kapal. Isang bayang sagana sa kwento ng kasaysayan at kadakilaan. At ngayon, ating saksihan ang sayaw parangal ng Festival Queen mula sa Barangay Tabing Ilog.